A card that tilts in 3D as you hover, a badge that actually floats above it. No JavaScript, no library. CSS has had a full 3D engine this whole time. Almost nobody uses it. 3D in CSS needs two things, a scene and an actor. The scene gets perspective. The actor gets transform style, preserve 3D. Lower perspective values mean more dramatic. 400 pixels is extreme. 1,200 pixels is subtle. 800 pixels is the sweet spot for cards. Then just rotate on hover. rotateX tilts up-down. rotateY tilts left-right. Add a transition and it feels physical. Now the magic. Any child element can be pushed forward in Z space. It looks like it's floating above the card. Higher values equals floats further out. The card tilts, the badge stays ahead of it. Instant depth. For automatic tilting without user interaction, use CSS animations with keyframes. CSS 3D. Perspective, preserve, -3D, rotateX, rotateY, translateZ. 5 properties. Full 3D engine. Episode 5. We build animated counting numbers using CSS counters and no JavaScript at all. CSS counting from 0 to any number. See you there.